Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. Sila Biolabs. Today what we will be discussing about the 24-hour teeth melting crisis. Okay, what is the aim of making today's video? It's not just to show you how your tooth is ruined. It's to pull back the curtain on the hidden chemical war happening inside your mouth right now. What is happening in your mouth? We are going deep under the microscope to reveal exactly how everyday drink launch an acid attack on your enamel, the outer portion of your tooth. The most hardest portion in our body, how the drinks launch an acid attack, and more importantly, how your body deploys, how your body responds, an invisible defense force to stop it. Okay, the acid attack, the soda, the phosphoric acid, the orange juice, the drinks we use in the sports, that is called the energy drinks, the wine and coffee, all these, how these attack on our enamel, what does they do to our tooth? We will be discussing this in our video. The acid penetrates into the microscopic pores here, you can see. The minerals start dissolving away. The enamel, the outer portion of our tooth, it starts weakening. And how does our body respond? The defense system, the saliva that comes, and is acting 24/7. Saliva washes away the acids. Bicarbonates in the saliva, it neutralizes the acids. The calcium and phosphate rebuilds the enamel, and the natural cycle, it continues. The natural cycle protects, repair, and of course it repeats. But the main problem, what is it? The process of destruction and the process of construction. When the acid demineralizes, your tooth is destruction. Okay, and when the saliva remineralizes, your teeth are in a repair phase. But what happens when the demineralization is more and the remineralization is less? There is destruction of the structure of the enamel, that is our tooth. So we have to tilt this battle in our favor. What we have to do? Use a straw to limit the contact with teeth. Rinse with water. Okay, never ever brush immediately after drinking the soft drink, because for 30 minutes your enamel is soft as the acid has already attacked. Okay, and give your mouth time to recover. Recovery is the real healing. Okay, every sip starts a battle. Every choice can change the outcome. So respect the balance, protect your smile for your life. We are not observing the signs. We are empowering you to take the control. I want you to take the control. Knowledge is power. Habits are your protection, and your smile is your worth defending. So we will be discussing all this in our today's video. So stay with me. You will love it. And of course, you will get a lot of knowledge. Okay, in our video, we will be witnessing the silent chemical war inside the beaker. We have placed the tooth in the beaker, and not only the silent war that is static, we will also be discussing the dynamic war that is happening in our mouth also. Okay, the goal of this experiment is not to tell you never to drink the soda again. As a dentist, my aim is to show you the exact molecular science, how teeth melts away, so you can understand the hidden biological countdown that triggers every time you take a sip. And how can you trick the system to protect your smile? Okay? I'm not asking you to leave the soda and everything. No, 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 no. I'm just giving you the knowledge to trick the system to help your body. Okay? When we drink the soda, the acid attack begins within the 0 to 2 minutes. Drink with lower pH floods your mouth. Acid penetrate enamel and start dissolving the minerals. Okay, the pH is low and the enamel start dissolving. On 2 to 20 minutes, demineralization peaks. Minerals that the calcium and phosphate breaks away from the enamel. Look, you can see it's breaking away from the enamel. This is the way they are causing destruction. Okay, the turning point. After 20 to 40 minutes, the saliva comes. The saliva is in the mouth, but it takes over to neutralize the acid pH. Stopping further mineral loss and remineralization begins. After 40 minutes, remineralization saliva delivers minerals back to the enamel, repairing the early damage. And after 24 hours, full recovery with good habits, enamel becomes strong and the cycle is complete until the next sip. But if you take the sip again, the process starts again. This all demineralization process, again the minerals are going off the teeth and again all this happening. So the process of remineralization, this is construction, is getting at the lower level and the process of destruction, that is remineralization, is taking over. It's getting up, right? So when the demineralization is more, destruction is more, so there will be a cavity. Okay? So after drinking the soda, of course we all drink. So rinse with water. Give your mind the time to recover. Try to take a straw while drinking. Eat smart foods, calcium rich, sugar free gum. The choice is yours. Understanding the science gives you the power to protect your smile without giving up the things you enjoy. Knowledge is protection. Habits are your shield and your smile. Of course, we worth it, you worth it. We have done a little experiment. We have left tooth in a beaker with Coca-Cola. Soda drink. We are not taking anyone's names. Okay, this is a human submerged tooth. Why exactly 24 hours? The answer is not just growth, it's just scientific crisis, okay? After 24 hours, what happened? You can see. Too much destruction in the enamel. The cavities are forming. The tooth enamel before was like this at the microscopic level, you can see. And when after 24 hours, it's like this. So many pores because the calcium and phosphate, they are dropped off from the mouth, from your enamel. Demineralization in action still, okay? When we place the one tooth in static environment, that is, it is continuous in the glass beaker, okay? When we place it, immediately you can see the bubbles. They are attacking the enamel. It's just to witness the science you make. Your choice. We can only tell you. Now it's your choice. You can witness it and then make your choice. It's not like for marketing. It's for real effects, not any excuses, real protection, real knowledge, okay? A silent chemical war that starts in our mouth. The acid attacks, acidic compounds, lowers the pH. and enamel starts dissolving away. Enamel starts dissolving away. Enamel erosion. Minerals are leached out. They are leaked out of the enamels, weakening our tooth structure, weakening our tooth defense. Of course, sugar feeds bacteria. Okay, sugar feed bacteria that can even produce more acid. So, real knowledge, real protection. Okay, to the naked eye, the tooth looks normal, but when we see it through the microscope at 5000 examination, magnification is 5000, we see the first structural fissures appearing on the defense wall. Fissures appearing on the defense wall. The prismatic rods begin to loosen. See, okay? They are loosening. They were compact and now they are getting loose at microscopic magnification. You cannot see it with your naked eye, but the microscope you can observe it. The exact second the soda hits the enamel surface, millions of bubbles starts. Soda hits the enamel, pH drops instantly. I will show you also this. The soda hits, pH drops. Right? Millions of carbonated bubbles explode the microscopic pores and grooves. Acidic compounds dissolve and minerals weakens the enamel structure. The enamel barrier is compromised and damage it has already begun. Millions of violent carbonated bubbles instantly swarm the tooth. Instantly. Now the first 10 seconds, the soda contact, bubble swans, pH drops, enamel under attack, minerals loss begin, and acid break. Once the acid break begins, there is no instant rewind, okay? The destruction has already begun. As we said earlier, 1 hour by the naked eye, the tooth looks completely normal. The naked eye, no visible change. Enamel appears smooth and intact. But under the microscope, the damage had already begun. I will show you the microscopic view also. We zoom into the 5000 times magnification. Micro cracks already appeared. Porosity has started. And acid begins dissolving the content calcium phosphate away. This is under 5000 magnification. The outer defense walls are already in attack. Okay? The villains has come and they are attacking us. And the tight chemical bonds begins to destabilize the tooth structure. The acid break is underway. But with naked eye, we can't, it's just observe it. Okay, most popular soft drinks, they have got the pH of 2.5. Okay, and I will be showing you some beverages and some the pH scale. What I will be showing you the pH scale, because when the pH of our mouth drops below 5.5, that is the point where demineralization starts. Okay, you can see the battery acid, it's 1.0, the 2.5, all the drinks. The danger zone, below this level starts. Pure water just got 7.50, and the alkaline water we drink, it has got 8.5 pH. Okay, so the pH 2.5 soft drinks, 1 drop, and the pH 7.0 water, 1000 drops. Now what? Acid doesn't need force, it needs time and pH. Okay, the tooth minerals start dissolving, mineral loss, and the enamel starts eroding. Okay, Every second below 5.5 pH causes damage. It's a risk. Every second below 5.5 pH, it causes damage. The molecular destruction of enamel, I will be showing you chemistry. Continuous exposure prevents the pH from recovering. As we have discussed that if we take a sip, destruction has started. The saliva comes over, the remineralization will start. But when we take another sip, the destruction process is increased. So the remineralization, it is decreased. It will be decreased. And the destruction process will be increased. Now, many of my patients, they said, how is it possible that a liquid, just a liquid can destroy the hardest portion of our body? Yeah, this was the point by most of my patients. To understand how a liquid can defeat the hardest substance in the human body, we have to look the molecular destruction of the enamel. Acid has arrived. This acid has arrived, here the molecular destruction has started. Mineral dissolution, minerals are going out. Structure breakdown, the structure has started breakdown. Enamel start erosion. Okay? This is how a liquid can break the hardest portion of our body. What will be the result? Weakened enamel, enamel will be weak. Increased sensitivity, you get sensitive teeth. Higher risk of cavities. Okay? That's all a liquid drink is doing. Acid does not break enamel in just one hit. Acid attacks mineral loss, enamel weakens, and then the damage occurs. It wins by millions of tiny attacks. Of course, we are drinking continuously, right? So, millions of tiny attacks. The bubbles are forming on the tooth, taking away the minerals. When the minerals are taken off, what happens? Structure breakdown. Structure breakdown, enamel erosion. Okay? Okay, I will be explaining it more in detail. What is enamel? It is the outer structure of the tooth and it is 96% of minerals, primary hydroxyapatite crystals, making it the hardest substance of our body. It is made up of hydroxyapatite crystals and it is the hardest portion of our body. Enamel is built from millions of tightly packed hydroxyapatite crystals. Millions of tightly packed. At the molecular level, you can see it's millions of tightly packed. But because of the acid attacks from the soda, surround the enamel surface. Enamel destruction starts, crystal breakdown, and the surface erosion. And result, cavities, to damage. This is not just a surface damage. This is a chemical destruction at the molecular level. Enamel cannot repair itself once the minerals are lost, gone forever. Your enemy is invisible. The damage is real. The effects are permanent. Okay? Okay, I will be showing you the chart now. This chart, this is the pH. 5.5, then below 5.5, what we get? Destruction starts. Okay? The safe zone, strong and stable, this is green zone. Okay, fine. Then risk zone. That is enamel going below 5.5. And the melting zone, of course, below 5.5. And I will be showing some drinks. That is the alkaline pH I told you. That is about 8.0 pH. Pure water 7.0. Milk 6. And the critical pH now comes here. This is the award-winning that destroys our tooth. Coffee, pH 5. Wine, pH 4. Soda, 2.5 to 3. Lemon juice, 2.9. And battery acidic attacks. Below 5.5, the frequency and duration. That is all that matters. Every minute below 5.5 counts. I will not say every minute. Every second below 5.5 will count. The goal, keep your mouth above the line. Protect the structure of your teeth. Preserve your enamel. Preserve your teeth. The phosphoric acid in the drinks, it just not sits on our tooth, no? It aggressively hunts for the calcium bonds. What does it do? The H plus hydroxy, the portion, it removes it from our tooth. What does hydro portion do? It will bond to the calcium and it removes it away. Okay? I will be showing you the diagrammatic view also. Acid infiltration, phosphoric acids come into the microscopic pores, sits into the enamel fissures. Fine. They are just sitting here like a gas. Now what they will do? Our guess what they will do? They are actually the thieves. Phosphate ions lock into the calcium and hydroxyapatite crystals breaking. The chemical bond that holds the enamel together. The breakdown has already started. Structural collapse from inside out. When the calcium is removed, the enamel structure weakens, pores are enlarged and more prone to cavities. Once the minerals are lost, they cannot be replaced naturally. Hour 1, the beginning. Microfissure starts. Then 2 to 24 hours, deep destruction. Beyond 20 hours, of course, there's the structural collapse of the enamel. This is why soda is not just a sugar and the fizz. It's a chemical assault on your teeth. It's chemical assault, you know. Phosphoric acid does not just wait. Every sip continues with the destruction. Protect your enamel and exposure and preserve your smile. You know what? Our enamel is a beautiful structure, you can see. It's made up of hydroxyapatite crystals. Beautiful creation, isn't it? It's incredibly strong. The tightly packed lattice makes the enamel the hardest substance of our body. This is the hardest substance. But what happens? Acid attacks. Acid attacks, hydrogen ion act like a thieves. Aggressive hydrogen ion break the formula and steals the atoms away. Calcium stolen, phosphate stolen, hydroxide, all our things are stolen. So, theft, decay. As atoms are stolen, the lattice weakens, creating the tiny holes leading to cavities. The can, the soda drinks, has got 40 grams of sugar in every sip. In a single can feed millions of natural bacteria in our mouth. They will just feed it. And it's a feast for our bacteria. And when they get a feast, they produce more acid, and more acid, so more destruction. See, it's a feast. They are enjoying their feast and then more destruction. Acid attack primary waves. Hydrogen ions steal minerals from our teeth. Sugar feed bacteria. More secondary wave. The secondary wave has generated, produce more acid. The secondary wave is generated by these. They are having a feast. Okay? So, even more sugar. So, when we drink soda, the acid attack is the primary wave. Hydrogen ions steal minerals from the enamel. But the show doesn't end here. The secondary wave begins. Sugar feeds the bacteria. And the secondary wave starts. The bacteria produce even more acid from that sugar. And the faster decay. A second wave of acid means the faster and deeper, more deeper damage. Look, damage gets deeper and more deeper. Okay, the tooth we placed in the beaker. The final result at the 24 hours. The liquid is drained. The structural integrity of the tooth is completely compromised. The tooth is now dull, chalky, white, and absolutely too much porous, with zero defense left. This was when we placed it in the soda, and after 24 hours, this has begun. Before, the strong, tightly packed enamel structure, and after, collapsed, porous, and full of voids. The 24-hour damage report. Enamel strength 100% lost. Mineral content severely depleted. Structural integrity compromised. Acid resistance 0. Defense status none. For more detailed review, of course I cannot see this irreversible damage. This irreversible damage cannot be seen by naked eye. Acid dissolved the hydroxyapatite crystals. The pores has begun, the weakened enamel rods, and destroyed the tooth ability to protect itself. The damage cannot be reversed. Once it's come, it's gone. Healthy, strong teeth, you can see. Early attack, the pores has begun. Deep erosion. Okay, this is the microscopic structure of the healthy teeth. This is the early attack. Now deep erosion and total collapse. The takeaway. The soda is not just a sweet, it's a chemical weapon. Yeah, it's a weapon against your teeth. Time matters, pH matters, and your protection matters. So your teeth don't grow back. Protect them before it's too late. Now for the real question. If soda does such destruction, why doesn't our teeth just melt away? Because your mouth has a powerful smart defense system designed to protect, repair, and restore if you give it a chance. Of course, if you give it a chance, that is the saliva, your body's first line of defense. Saliva dilutes the acid. It is like a buffering system. It washes away the sugar and acids and contain minerals that rebuild the enamel. What does the saliva do? Dilutes and neutralizes acid, removes food and sugars, delivers essential minerals like calcium, phosphate, and provide enzymes that aids in repair process. Okay, pH recovery, your mouth neutralizes acid fast. After a sip of soda, pH drops instantly. But mouth quickly brings it back to the safe level. In most healthy mouths, pH returns above 5.5 within 20 to 60 minutes. Remineralization nature's built-in repair crew. When the pH is back, the safe zone, minerals in the saliva rebuild and strengthens the enamel. Early damage can be repaired when minerals are available and acid attacks are not constant. When there is constant acid attacks, there will be no repair process as the destruction will be more as compared to reconstruction. Time, frequency, and exposure time matters. Teeth can handle occasional acid attacks. Occasional acid attacks, they can be handled. But repeated and constant exposure, teeth cannot handle that. Strong exposure, more pH drops, frequent sipping all day, no time for pH recovery, constant acids plus sugar baths. So the natural defense system, it will not work. Fluoride, it is the protective cover. The power, your enamel's bodyguard. Fluoride strengthens the enamel, make it more acid resistant, and boost it towards remineralization. Sources: fluoridated water, toothpaste, mouth rinses, and professional treatments. Okay, our mouth is a dynamic battlefield. Every day it's not about avoiding soda forever. It's about not giving it a chance above the bottom line, not giving it the upper hand. Help your natural defense system. Enjoy the soda, but don't sip all day. Rinse with water. Give your mouth time to recover. And don't use toothpaste immediately. You have to wait for 30 minutes. Brush with twice with fluoride toothpaste. And of course, see your dentist regularly. Because our body has a built-in automatic defense system that never stops fighting. Saliva. It is 99% water, but the remaining 1% is pure liquid gold. Yes, you hear it right. It's pure liquid gold because it has enzymes, electrolytes, antibodies, and minerals. Okay, what does the saliva do? It washes. Acid neutralizer. The saliva is constantly washing your teeth, clearing away the food particles and acids before they can cause damage. The repair crew, the remineralization. Saliva is rich in calcium phosphate and other essential minerals that rebuild and strengthens the enamel naturally. It rebuilds and strengthens the enamel naturally. 99% of water and 1% of solid power. What I call it is pure liquid gold because it has got proteins, enzymes, mineral, electrolytes, and antibodies. The saliva is the protectors. Enzymes and proteins. Powerful enzymes break down the harmful bacteria and proteins. Protective proteins coat your teeth, giving it a shield from future attacks. It fights the harmful bacteria and forms a protective layer or a barrier on enamel. Saliva works around the clock. 24/7. So your body produces 0.5 to 1.5 liters of saliva every day, 15,000 protections of cycle daily. Saliva also works while you sleep. So chew, eat, and fibrous foods to stay hydrated and keep your saliva healthy. Okay, the 24/7 protection. Acid attacks, saliva activities, repair protection, and this process repeats. So saliva is just not a spit. It's science, it's protection, and it's pure liquid gold. So saliva is not just a spit, it's science, it's protection, and it's pure liquid gold. So saliva is the hero. The moment you take a sip, your saliva rushes in like an alkaline fire extinguisher. Okay? And it buffers. It uses bicarbonate to buffer the aggressive acid. The aggressive acid is buffered by bicarbonates in the saliva, forcing the pH level that is already dropped to raise it to the safe zone before melting can fully clear your defenses. What does happen when the acid attacks when we drink soda? pH drops fast, 2.5, danger zone, okay? Saliva rushes in. It rushes in and buffers it within seconds, bringing bicarbonates, calcium, and phosphate proteins. Help arrives within seconds. That's what I all made just to explain. Acid neutralizes. Bicarbonate buffers bind to the excess acid, neutralizing them, bringing pH to the safe zone again, above 5.5. So melting is stopped, the pH returns to safe zone, demineralization stops, remineralization begins. But if we drink it again, then again the process of demineralization acid attack has begun. So acid attacks, saliva defense, and if the balance wins, the remineralization process will occur. So your habits decides the outcome. Your habits, what does you intake, it decides the outcome. Saliva is 24-hour construction crew, floating calcium and phosphate ions and constantly protect and repair your enamel. Saliva is protected with calcium and phosphates. Calcium and phosphates migrate ions saliva attracted to the areas of demineralization, microcracks and pits. They migrated there. Okay, precipitate. The ions combine and precipitate the tiny crystals of hydroxyapatite, the mineral that makes the animal. So what does calcium and phosphate will do? They will combine with hydroxyapatite crystals. These crystals rebuild and relock the crystalline lattice, making enamel stronger again. You see, before the enamel is weak, minerals have already been stolen by the acid. Micro attacks and pits and vulnerable. This was the structure. Now, afterwards, what happened? Enamel is strong because of the buffering system of saliva. Minerals are restored and the lattice is whole, restored. You are protected like this one. The ultimate takeaway. We placed the tooth in the beaker, right? It was like this. In the beaker, it is in the static environment, leading to destruction. But in your mouth, the mouth is the environment dynamic, a constant biological tug war between the damage and the saliva repair. The saliva repair, and between the damage, there is a continuous tug war going on. Continuous destruction and continuous construction. Now it depends on your habits who will win. Whether you choose construction or whether you choose destruction. Destruction will lead to cavities. And these are the things that favors destruction. Soda, juice, candy, snacks, acid reflux, and poor habits like smoking. And if you want construction to win, saliva flow, drink water, nutrition, rebuild, protect, restore, and remineralize. So the soda has the power of destruction, but your body has defense. And the outcome decided by you. The outcome, the balance, it is decided by you that who will win. As a dentist, how do we make sure your natural biological field always wins the fight? As a dentist, so I will recommend you control the sugar. That feed your enemy. Brush smart twice a day. Clean between the teeth. Means you have to floss. Or otherwise the cavities will form in between two tooths. Okay? Let the fluoride strengthen your shield. Fluoride toothpaste. By using fluoride toothpaste, it helps in remineralization, makes enamel more resistant by making the fluoroapatite crystals. Hydro is replaced by fluoro, and fluoroapatite crystal is more resistant to cavities. Stay hydrated so your saliva can do the job. And of course, see your dentist regularly. So he will or she will catch the problems more before they grow. Okay? The bottom line, small daily habits, big long ones. Follow the data-driven golden rules and stay healthy. And repair. Okay, first look at the relative erosion scale. 0, that is water. 0 to 1, neutral. pH 5 to 5.0, 1 to 2, very low for coffee. Tea 2 to 3, soft drinks 4 to 6, orange juice 6 to 8, lemonade 7 to 9, and of course for Coca-Cola it's 10 plus. The citric acid is strong acid, of course. It chelates calcium, breaks down the enamel minerals, but the phosphoric acid found in cola, it's more dangerous. Directly dissolves enamel and lowers the pH, erosive power. So the perfect storm is phosphoric acid in drinks. The pH drops past citric acid, chelates and removes minerals. Together they accelerate enamel loss. If we combine them, it's a bigger loss. So water and coffee are safe. Orange juice is high risk. Okay, so the bottom line, water and coffee are safe. Orange juice is high risk. But classic cola, it is undisputed king of enamel destruction. Okay, to protect your smile, follow these simple rules. Three rules, just 3. Use a straw so your teeth will not be in direct contact with the acid. Second, rinse with plain water so it washes off the acid. Third, never brush immediately. Yes, you have to wait for 30 minutes because of the soda, the enamel is soft. Okay, and it will abrade it away. If you will brush within 30 minutes, it will abrade it away. So you have to wait for 30 minutes to 1 hour. It is safe after 30 minutes, but you can wait for 1 hour. Okay, it will make a big difference. Habits for hydration. For different systems, stay hydrated. Limit sugary snacks. Eat calcium-rich food. Chew sugar-free gums. And let your saliva work while you sleep. The results: stronger enamel, fewer cavities, healthier smile, and confidence for life. So enjoy your drinks, but protect your smile. Your habits are strongest defense. Enjoy life, make smart choices, follow these 3 simple rules. Straw, rinse with water, and just avoid brushing for 30 minutes after having soda. Keep your strong smile healthier. And keep your smile strong for your lifetime. Okay, do remember one thing. The crisis is not actually what you drink. It's about the time you give your mouth to recover. Acid attacks 0 to 5 minutes. Then after 5 to 20 minutes, the saliva takes over. And you should give it the time for remineralization, as I told you. So your tooth will be repaired. Back to protection 24 plus. The nature has given us saliva. Okay? It's not the drink, it's the clock. Any acidic drink can cause damage. What matters is giving your mouth enough time to recover. Use a straw, rinse with water, and never brush quickly. Drink water, eat calcium-rich food, chew on gums, sugar-free of course. Let saliva work like a magic. Be efficient. Every sip starts a cycle. Every minute you wait makes a difference. And your habits today shape your smile tomorrow. So protect the recovery, protect your enamel, enjoy life. Your smile is worth it. Our experiment from Dr. Sila Lab is complete, but the lab never stops. Hit the subscribe button, leave a comment with what we should drop into the breaker next. Okay, what you want to hear. And if you have got any problems related to your teeth, you can comment us. We will be here to reply. Okay, keep exploring the hidden science of life with us here at Dr. Sila Biolabs. See you in the next discovery. Kindly subscribe, comment, and stay curious. I love science. What about you? Dr. Sila Biolabs. Bye bye. See you then. Waiting for your reply, your comments, and any problem if you have. We will be here to discuss with you. And if you have visited to dentist and he told you or she told you something you couldn't understand, okay, you are unable to understand, you can comment us. We will be here describing and explaining each and everything to you. Okay, we are consultant dentists. Okay, so stay with us. We will be happy if you join us. Kindly subscribe, comment, and stay curious. I love science.